The title for today is Appointments and Scheduling. This is also a very important aspect of Japanese culture because, like, how to make appointments and how to follow this, scheduling, that's also an important aspect. Now, the facts appointments in Japanese. When we talk about appointments in Japanese culture or in Japanese business culture, how we should go on with that. Being on time or a few minutes early is seen as a sign of respect. Arriving late can be viewed as unprofessional or disrespectful. So being on time, better we should be before time, at least 5 to 7 minutes before. Then it says that Japanese culture values proper scheduling and meetings are usually arranged well ahead of time through formal communication. This is also a very important thing we need to know that, when Japanese businessmen or the Japanese natives make an appointment from his, so it will never be like verbal thing, right? So it will be through an email or a text message or a memo, like a kind of written communication, so that it is confirmed. So it is considered to be a formal communication. And what are the key words usually we use, right, for making an appointment or scheduling an appointment? The first word is yoyaku. 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 It means it's an appointment, right? Then sukejiru o kairu. Sukejiru o kairu. Sukejiru o kairu. It means to reschedule your, appointment office. For example, like you had a meeting at 3 p.m. So if you really want to request a Japanese person to reschedule your appointment, then you should say sukejiru o kairu. But please take care of this thing. You had an appointment or you had a meeting at 3. So it won't be fair if you try to uh, know, reschedule your meeting at 2:45. So don't do this. Otherwise, it will be uh, always considered as disrespectful. And okureru, to be late, to be late. Sukejeru means schedule. Then jikandori, it is jikandori. Jikandori means on time. It's on time. Jikandori, jikandori. So I'm repeating the pronunciation again. I'll pronounce each word 3 times. Yoyaku, yoyaku, yoyaku. Next is sukejiru o kairu, sukejiru o kairu, sukejiru o kairu. Next is okureru, 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 sukejiru, sukejiru, sukejiru. Jikandori, jikandori, jikandori. Okay. Next, yoyaku o shitai desu. So this is the sentence like when you are making a request to make an appointment. I would like to make an appointment. Yoyaku o shitai desu. Yoyaku o shitai desu. Yoyaku o shitai desu. And kono shukan aitemasu ka? Kono shukan aitemasu ka? Are there any openings this week? Right? Shukan means week. Next is dekiru dake hayaku mitatte hoshi desu. Dekiru dake hayaku mitatte hoshi desu. I need to be seen as soon as possible. できるだけ早く見たってほしいです。Next is, いつが空いてますか？いつが空いてますか？ When are you available? いつが空いていますか？ And 時間を変更してもいいですか？ Can I reschedule? 時間を変更してもいいですか？ Can I reschedule? 変更 means to change, right? 時間 means time, so to change the time, right? Then comes reschedule or cancel appointment. So when there is a situation where you need to reschedule or cancel the appointment, then what you are going to do? Yes, reschedule an appointment in Japanese. すみません。今日の予約をキャンセルしてください。すみません。今日の予約をキャンセルしてください。キャンセルしてください。means please cancel. Please cancel today's, appointment. Yeah. And so if like you receive the reply like, sure, would you like to change it to a different day? So in Japanese it is said, kashikomashita. 他の日に変えますか？かしこまりました。かしこまりました means, yeah, sure, no problem. 他の日に変えますか？ Will you change it to some other day? はい。今週の土曜日は空いていますか？午前がいいです。Yes, how about this Saturday? I prefer in the morning. And I'm afraid this Saturday is fully booked. We can put you for next Saturday though. 今週はいっぱいですね。来週は空いています。今週はいっぱいですね。来週は空いています。Then that's a bit too far from today. How about late afternoon on Thursday? 少し先になりますね。じゃあ、木曜日の夕方は空いていますか？少し先になりますね。じゃあ、木曜日の夕方は空いていますか？ Yes, we have 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock available. はい、5時か6時なら空いています。はい、5時か6時なら空いています。Yeah, for the proper pronunciation, I will speak the Japanese sentences again from the beginning. すみません。今日の予約をキャンセルしてください。すみません。今日の予約をキャンセルしてください。すみません。今日の予約をキャンセルしてください。かしこまりました。他の日に変えますか？かしこまりました。他の日に変えますか？かしこまりました。他の日に変えますか？はい。今週の土曜日は空いていますか？午前がいいです。はい。今週の土曜日は空いていますか？午前がいいです。はい。今週の土曜日は空いていますか？午前がいいです。今週はいっぱいですね。来週は空いています。今週はいっぱいですね。来週は空いています。少し先になりますね。じゃあ、木曜日の夕方は空いていますか？少し先になりますね。じゃあ、木曜日の夕方は空いていますか？少し先になりますね。 じゃあ、木曜日の夕方は空いていますか？はい。5時か6時なら空いています。はい。5時か6時なら空いています。So these are all the phrases like usually which are used when we uh, talk about making appointment promise, booking an appointment, or changing the schedule or rescheduling your appointment. Okay. Then comes time expressions in Japanese. Like today, it is kyo, kyo. Tomorrow is ashita, ashita. Yesterday is kino, kino. Tonight is konya, konya. Morning is asa, asa. Afternoon is gogo, gogo. So 1 o'clock is ichiji, 2 o'clock is niji, 3 o'clock is sanji, 4 o'clock is yoji. It's never yonji. 5 o'clock is goji, 6 o'clock is rokuji. So I speak the words again. For today it is kyo, kyo. For tomorrow it is ashta, ashta. For yesterday it is kino, kino. Tonight is konya, konya. For morning it is asa, asa. For afternoon it is gogo, gogo. Now, ima, the word ima means now. Kyo means today. Ashta means tomorrow. Kino means yesterday. And jikan means time. I'm repeating the words again. Ima means now. Kyo means today. Ashta means tomorrow. Kino means yesterday. Chikan means time. Okay. Then comes Sanji. Sanji means 3 o'clock. Sanji Krofun, 5 minutes past 3. Sanji Jupun, 10 minutes past 3. Sanji Jugofun, 15 minutes past 3. Sanji Nijupun, 20 minutes past 3. Sanji Nijugofun, 25 minutes past 3. Sanji Sanjupun or Sanjihan means 3:30. Then 35 minutes past 3. 35 minutes past 3 is Sanji Sanju Gofun. I repeat, Sanji Sanju Gofun. 40 minutes past 3. So we were talking about 40 minutes past 3. So 40 minutes past 3 is Sanji Yonjupun. Sanji Yonjupun. Right? Then comes 45 minutes past 3. That is Sanji Yonju Gofun. Sanji Yonju Gofun. Then 50 minutes past 3. Sanji Gochupun. 55 minutes past 3. Sanji Goju Gofun. So this is all number system with minutes and hours system. We all know about it. It was just for practice. Then etiquette tips and the explanation. Be on time. In Japanese, it is known as Jikan o Mamoru. Jikan o Mamoru. Punctuality is very important in Japan. Arrive on or before time. Apologize if late. Okurete sumimasen. If you are late, always apologize politely. Arrive early for meetings. Arriving 5 to 10 minutes early is considered respectful. Right? Confirm appointments in advance. It's polite to reconfirm a meeting ahead of time. And don't cancel last minute. Canceling plans suddenly is seen as inconsiderate. right? So we should have all these things on our mind. I'm repeating again, be on time. Jikano mamoru. Apologize if late. So we all need to apologize because and the apology should be respectful. That's also very important. Arrive early for meetings. Arriving 5-10 minutes early is considered respectful. Confirm appointments in advance. In advance, the appointment promises should be made. Then don't cancel your appointments last minute. Okay. Right. Now, what are the cultural things? Few points we are going to discuss here. Arrive exactly on time for meetings or appointments. Being late is considered rude or disrespectful. We have already discussed about it. Do not arrive too early at someone's home. 5-10 minutes early is enough. Being too much early is also not a good thing. Like it should be 5-10 minutes early only. Always confirm appointments via phone, email, or message. Confirmation of appointment is very important, right? So then use polite and formal language, that is kego, especially with superiors or in business. This is also a very important form of the language, like when we use so kego and kego, that's very, very important. Avoid making calls or rescheduling meetings during lunch breaks. You should avoid rescheduling the meetings during the lunch breaks because you know people take out special time for these kinds of meetings. So if last moment if you cancel the appointment, that's considered to be very disrespectful. Okay, bowing is a common greeting. Don't go for a handshake unless initiated. It's also very, very important for us to understand. And remove your shoes when entering someone's home or certain traditional places. Like in India also, there is a culture of removing the shoes. So that's very, very important. Okay? Yeah. Then comes now, this was a very important but very short kind of, cultural aspect we have learned today. And I hope like it is going to help you. It was though a very short kind of session, but very, very important for our business etiquettes to like know about the time and how to fix up an appointment, how to reschedule the appointment, how we should make the appointment, how we should confirm our meeting, and how much early we should reach, uh, what should be our body language. We should always remove our shoes before entering someone's house. Okay, so all these aspects are very, very truly important. So I believe this session was useful to all of you. Next time again, I'll be back with something more very, very interesting. And I believe that these master classes are really helpful for the Japanese, culture learners. So I wish you all the best, everyone. Happy learning. See you in the next master class. Thank you so much. God bless. 失礼します。